In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a LinkedIn video to your LinkedIn Experience section. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you're on YouTube, check the alert notification button here.
All right, let's say that you want to add your video to your experience section. We're going to go to that post, come up to here to the three dots. This time we're going to copy the link to the post, and you guessed it, we're going to go right to our experience section, click on that little edit pen, find the experience. So we'll say I want to add it right here, click on the edit pen again, scroll down to media. Remember, we're adding media, we're adding a link. We're not uploading the media because it was too long or whatever. So we're just adding the link, copy, paste, click on add. It's going to populate with what it's going to look like, which is why it's sometimes better to have a pretty decent thumbnail here. And then all I have to do is hit apply, and it's going to pop right into my experience section.